Hello guys, it's promising day today and of course, samahan nyo ako, explore natin ang second summer capital city of the Philippines which is Tagaytay, and of course, explore natin itong beautiful hotel in Tagaytay which is the Scala Hotel, rated as 4-star hotel. As you enter the lobby, you can see the beautiful views in the Taal volcano and of course the stunning trademark pool in Scala Hotel. Ayan guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang mga rooms. As you can see, napakadami ng rooms dito sa Scala Hotel. Tingnan nyo guys, iikot ko lang yung camera and enjoy. Basta makita nyo yung pool na yan, it's trademark for Scala Hotel. Dito tayo mag-stay ngayon and explore natin ang Tagaytay City as we entered guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung rooms natin na pinagstayhan. And of course, kung gusto nyo magstay dito, have a look to Scala Hotel and search nyo na lang ang Scala Hotel Tagaytay. And guys, pupunta na tayo sa ating room. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang room na accommodation natin. Ayan, as we walk to the lobby, makikita nyo yung mga paintings. Ayan guys, ito yung rooms natin na pinag-iistihan. Napakaganda, and then pag lumabas ka dyan, nandyan yung poolside. Ito yung rooms with TV and of course with the complimentary toiletries. Ayan guys, pinapakita ko sa inyo. Napakalinis, napakabunga as you enter the room. So guys, ayan. Ang ganda 'di ba? Napakaganda ng pool at ayan guys, mag-enjoy kayo sa pag-swim. Napakaganda ng hotel na to, kaya guys, book na. Mag-enjoy kayo dito at syempre, accommodating yung mga staff dito, napakaganda. Ayan guys, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to and more to come to explore Scala Hotel. Thank you for watching guys. Have a lovely day and God bless everyone. Thank you for watching.